Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Margaret Mary. If this is your first time, thank you for stopping by. If you have been here before, thank you for coming back. So today we are going to be doing goddess braids on a super short hair. First thing first, as usual, we'll put our extension on our stand to make life easy for us. So after that, everything is set, we went directly into braiding our client. As you can see, it wasn't really easy holding her hair. Her hair is not even up to an inch. It's not even up to an inch long, but we were able to grip it and everything was giving. So here we are struggling to grip her hair to make sure it doesn't fall out easily. So actually we just did the normal box braids, no knotless braid, because her hair was really very short. We couldn't do knotless braid, so we just did the normal braid. So it wasn't really easy picking her extremes, like the back of her head and the sides. For the middle, it was a little bit grown, so it was easier there, but at the sides and behind, it was very short, and picking it actually hurt the fingers. So I'll get to the desired length that we want. We secure the braids by tying it, and that's just all. The rest of the hair is going to be curled. So that's how simple it is to achieve our goddess braids. Like, you braid to the length that you want, and then you secure by tying. That's it. Here we are halfway done, hoping to finish the rest in no time, and voila, we are done. So what we did first was to pack up the coily hairs, because if they get into hot water they'll become straight, so pack them up to secure them. And then we go ahead to form our coils. So here we are using the thread. So if you want to see how we did this, you can check from our previous video. There's a video I posted on how to achieve different coil patterns. You can watch that video to be inspired on how you want your coils to be. So here I prefer to use a thread because it helps to shorten the length of the hair, since as she's going in for a bob look. So I prefer using the thread for this method. So as you can see, it's really simple. As I said, you can check my other video to see how I actually did this in detail if you don't understand this method. So here we are done tying the extension in order for it to achieve our chorus done. After that, we just move directly into dipping it into hot water. So here we separated the hair into 3 sections, the sides and the back. So we dip the sides first in hot water, as you can see, and then after that we go to the back and then we move to the other side of the hair. So after dipping into hot water, we use the hair dryer to dry the bead, and then we start to unravel the chorus. So after unraveling the chorus, we separate them. After separating, we went ahead and added our mousse and hairspray, and that's just all. Our customer was very happy and excited about her hair. So the end result was perfect. It was just what she needed. So I will just let you watch the video to the end. If you are enjoying this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, please do so and turn up the bell notifications, because we are going to be uploading more exciting content. If you have any thoughts to share, please leave that in the comment section, because I will be answering and responding to all comments. And if you are in need or interested in buying braided wig, you can as well visit our website. We use 3 days for processing and 3 to 5 business days for shipping. So visit our website and order for a braided wig. We use full laces for our braided wig, frontals and closures depending on what you prefer. We are currently on discount, so we have $10 discount on our website, and we also offer free shipping. And our braided wigs come with a lot of gifts, so do well to patronize us. You won't be disappointed, because all we give is perfect. Thank you so much for stopping by. See you on my next video. Bye bye.